Here we are, starting the Premiere SPX25. Putting the code in. Got the code wrong. Putting the code in. Got the code right. Getting ready to unload off the trailer. Like a boss. Wait, I am a boss. Here's the conduit, 3/4 inch, with fiber optic cable inside. You see me? Now you don't. 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 Here we are, getting ready to bury the cable. I mean, the conduit into the ground. Now we need to go grab the conduit and bring it back. Running the conduit under irrigation. Hooked it up to Chinese finger. Getting ready to bury it into the ground. Lowering the blade. Getting ready to vibrate. Losing traction in the grass.
3 days later.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you...
Finally made it to the house. The machine is getting stuck a little bit. It's because the ground is frozen a little bit.
4 to 6 days later.
Finally made it. Getting ready to pull the conduit out of the ground. Here it comes. Gotta pull enough out to make it to the house. Look at that ocean view. Job is almost done. Let's put our toy away. You see me? Now you don't. You see me? Now you don't. You see me? Now you don't. You see me? Now you don't.
A few moments later.
Please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that to grow on YouTube. My family is poor and it will help a lot. I appreciate you all for watching. We are getting ready to shut the machine off. Goodbye for now. Wait, you're still here? Shutting the controller off. Be sure to see the finished product.
Wow. 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 Wow.